Right. Turn on your cameras, please. Right. Did you get the print, Pute? Have you got this? Make it got that?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Right. This revision paper is regarding for the planet Earth we live. The first lesson of the geography. Okay. Did you do it? Kara dekh. No. Yes. Did you write the answers? Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Right. The planet Earth we live. Right. That's the topic. Here, the first question: what can be considered as the marvelous creation of nature? Right. Pute, tell me what can be considered as a marvelous creation of nature? What is that?
Earth.
Earth. Puta. Our topic is the planet Earth we live. Right. You learned from geography lesson number 1. Right. According to that, we discussed about what are the major planets in the solar system, then how the solar system is situated in the universe, okay, and also what are the major planets and what are the sub planets, right? You identified what are the major planets today: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter,
Jupiter,
Saturn,
Saturn,
Uranus,
Uranus,
Neptune.
Neptune.
But I told you the Pluto is Pluto is the dwarf planet. Okay. Here, now you can supply the answers. What can be considered as the marvelous creation of nature? The answer is what? The Earth. Right? Yes, the Earth. Second question. Kuta. What is the most suitable planet for living beings? What is the most suitable planet? Very easy question.
Earth.
Yeah, Earth.
Earth.
Yeah, the Earth. Right? 3 reasons for the Earth to be seen as a suitable place to living beings. That means what are the major uses of the Earth as a planet?
Contain water. Having congenial gases.
Very good.
Contain
Having
water.
yes, having
Suitable
congenial, congenial, yeah, congenial forces.
Water.
Sorry, Pute. Having water.
Water.
Yes, then yes, your chance. Again. 3 reasons for the Earth to be seen as a suitable place to living beings, to live beings. ජීවීන්ට ජීවත් වෙන්න මේක හොඳ ඇයි කියලා අහන්න.
Rotation of the Earth.
Yeah. Protection. Yeah, having protection. Then
Rotation.
yes, protection okay. Rotation. Then seasonal variations are occurring. Okay. Hari. Putaki rotation. Yeah. Rotation and revolution processes having there. Right. Then day and night occur. Right. Everything is available here. So the Earth is the most suitable planet for the living beings. Ari, that is very easy question. Right. I think you got it. Clear ne? හරි දැන් අපි අද ඉඳලා මේ කතා කරන්නේ මොකද්ද? අපි අද ඉඳලා විවාහකට යනකම් ආයි කතා කරන්නේ lessons ඔක්කොම ගන්නවා මේ විදිහට. right? මේ විදිහට revision විදිහට තමයි යන්නේ. දවසට එක lesson එක ගානේ අපි ගන්නවා geography සහ civics. එහෙම හොඳයි නේ පුතේ? මම දිසති කතා කරේ. ඔව්. ඒක තමයි ඉස්සරහට යන්නේ. නැත්නම් අපිට අපි පටන් ගත්තේ පරක් වෙලානේ. අපේ classes නේ. ඒ නිසා අපි ගොඩාක් මේ මොනවා කරද? අපි lessons කර හිටියොත් අපිට අවසානයේ අපිට කාලය මදි වෙයි. ඒ නිසා අපි හොඳට papers ටිකක් කතා කරගෙන යන්න. revision papers. අපිට ඔක්කොම cover වෙනවා. right. okay. right. now you can observe the tube like this. right. okay. Your paper can be seen as a PowerPoint now. What can be considered as the marvelous creation of nature? What is the most suitable planet for living being? Write 3 reasons for the earth to be seen as a suitable place to live living beings. Okay. Next one. Write the types of planets. Right. What are the major types of planets? What are the major types? Now you can see the planets.
Mercury, Venus,
Mercury, Venus,
Jupiter,
Mars,
Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Right. Write the types of planets. That means what are the major planets? Mercury, putala liyanna pute, mama liyanne. Mercury, Venus, Earth, right? Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Neptune, right? Right. The types of planets. That mean what are the major planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Pute, what is this? Okay. You can explain.
Oh.
බෑ වගේද ඔයා ගන්න right. Write the types of the atmosphere. Huh?
Troposphere, mesosphere, thermosphere,
stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere.
Yes. First one, troposphere. Troposphere. Number 2, stratosphere.
Stratosphere.
Stratosphere. Number 3,
mesosphere,
mesosphere. Mesosphere. Last one,
Thermosphere.
thermosphere. Thermosphere. Exosphere. අපි exosphere කියලා එකක් කතා කරනවා මොකේද? In science. Right. They are the major types of atmosphere. That means what are the major parts of the atmosphere? ඒක තමයි එතන කතා කරන්නේ. Major parts of the atmosphere. Okay. Describe the meaning of rotation of the earth. Right, very easy. What is rotation of the earth?
The movement of the earth by its own axis.
The movement of the earth around the sun. The movement of the earth around the sun. The movement of the earth around its own axis. Two processes, no?
The movement of the earth around its own axis.
Very good. The movement of the earth around its own axis. The movement of the earth around its own axis. The movement of the earth around its own axis. It is called the rotation of the earth. Right. Next one. Mention the accurate period of rotation of earth. Accurate period. Yes. I asked what is the time taken for the rotation, complete rotation, the actual rotation. හරියටම කියමු පුතේ. What is the time or the period? 23 hours and
6 hours.
23 hours and
And
23 hours and 56 minutes. මතක නෑ වගේ නේද? මතක නෑනේ. Okay? මතක නෑ? ඒක තමයි. මතක නෑ වගේ. කට්ටියෙන් බලාගෙන ඉන්න නිකන් අද ඉගෙන ගන්නවා වගේ. මේව මතක නෑ අමතක කරලා ඉන්නේ මේක නේ වැඩි. Mention the accurate period of the rotation. 23 hours and 56 minutes. It is taken 23 hours and 56 minutes for the complete rotation. Right. Next one. Give two results of rotation of the earth. Give two results of the rotation. Kya Naputa? Number one.
Occur in day and night.
Occurrence of day.
Occur in day and night. Then occur in day and night. Sorry. Sorry, Puta? Occur in day and night. What is another one? Give two results. Huh? Occur in day and night. Occur in day and night is the main result of the rotation. Right? What is another result? How එකක් කියන්න බැරිද? පෘථිවියට ඔබට occur in yes, occur in high tide and low tides. එහෙනම් occur in high tide. High tides and low tides. Occur in high tides and low tides. Okay. Describe the meaning of revolution of the earth. Revolution, right? You can say. Revolution of the earth. The movement of the earth.
The journey of the earth around the sun.
Yes, the journey of the earth around the sun, or the movement of the earth around the sun. The journey of the earth around the sun. Right. The journey of the earth around the sun, the movement of the earth around the sun. Both are correct. Okay. The movement of the earth around the sun Okay, can you see the board? What is the better color for writing, Puti? Black or red? පුතාලට හොඳටම පේන්නේ black එකද red එකද මම මොකෙන්ද ලියන්නේ?
White.
White.
White වලින් ලියන්න. එහෙනම් white ගමු. White ලියමු. Okay. Mention the accurate period of the revolution of the earth. Accurate period of the revolution. How many days? Puti?
365
days and 6 hours.
6 hours.
6 hours. White එක හොඳයි නේ එහෙනම්. 365 days and 6 hours. මේ පුතාලා ඔක්කොමලා පැටිය අරගෙන තියෙන ටියුට් එක මේක අරගෙන තියෙන්නේ. print එකක් ගත්තනේ. නැතියක් තියෙනවද? නැතියක් තියෙනවද? නැති අය question number එක දාලා ලියා ගන්නකො. Okay. Next one. Mention the result of revolution of the earth. Mention the result of the revolution of the earth. Results. What is the major result of the revolution of the earth? Occur in seasonal changes. Yes, Kuta. Occur in seasonal changes. Seasonal changes. Seasonal changes happened. Occurrence of seasonal changes. Occurrence of seasonal changes. Right, it's okay. That is question number 11. Right, ඔන්න දැන් 11ක් පුළුවන්. මම ඊට පස්සේ presentation එක සම්පූර්ණ දාලා එක්කෙනෙක්ගෙන් අහන හොඳේ මුලින් ඉඳලා කියන්න ඕන. Next one, explain about the leap year. What is a leap year? Leap year. Right, how to explain the leap year? The year with 366 days. That is called the leap year. The year which has 366 days. right? The how to create the leap year, පුතේ? How to create the leap year? කොහොමද හැදෙන්නේ leap year එක? After 4 years, those 365 days and 6 hours, then 6 hours get collected together within 4 hours for 4 years. Then after 4 years, the one day is created. That day is added to the next year. That is a leap year. කොහොමද? අවුරුදු දැන් අපි කියනවා 365 days and 6 hours. Those 6 hours collected together within 4 years. Then created 24 hours. That 24-hour day is added to the another year. අවුරුදු 4කට පස්සේ ඊළඟ එකට එකතු වෙනවා. That is a leap year. Right. Finally, we can say the answer is the leap year is the year which has 366 days. Right. You can write it. The year which has 366 okay, right, finish. Okay, let's go to another one. Question number 13. Yes, the shape of the earth. The shape of the earth. What is the shape of the earth? What is the shape of the earth?
Spherical.
Yes, spherical shape. Spherical shape. Spherical shape. Very good. Write 4 evidences which help to prove that the earth is a spherical object. Right. How to prove the earth is a spherical one?
Latitudes and longitudes.
Sorry?
Photographs taken from the
Photographs from the
Yes,
space.
මම මේ පැත්තෙන් ලියන්නම් පුතේ. ඊට මදි නිසා. Photographs, okay? Photographs taken from කොහෙන්ද? Taken
from the space.
space, okay? Number 1. 2.
When observing the horizon of the sea.
Yes, when observing the horizon. Horizon means horizon of the sea. සිතිජය. සිතිජය දිහා බැලුවම මුහුදු වෙරළට ගියාම ඔහොම curve වෙලා තියෙනවා. Then we can believe here the earth is a spherical one. Here the photographs taken from the space. Space එකට ගිහලා ෆොටෝ එකක් ගහුවම ගෝලාකාර. Then another one.
Raleigh. Start
From
travel.
solar.
ඇහුන්නේ නැහැ මට කික් 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 විතරයි.
Here we meet the starting point.
Yes. When we are traveling
When we
around
From
the world,
solar.
yeah.
We get reached to the starting point.
Yeah, when we are traveling around the world, we can reach the starting place. අපි පෘථිවිය වටේ ඇවිදගෙන ගියෝ ලෝක වටේ ගියොත් ආයි හිතපු තැනටම වැටෙනවා. එහෙනම් when we are traveling around the world, we can reach the starting place. We can reach the starting place. අපිට start කරපු තැනට වෙන්න පුළුවන්. Right. That's why we are calling the earth as a spherical shape. Okay. Write 4 evidences which help to prove that the earth is a spherical object. Now you can prove that. Okay. මේ ඔක්කොම මතක් වෙනවනේ. නෑ. හොඳයි නේද මෙහෙම? පොඩි ගැම්මක් එනවනේ නිකන් ඔක්කොම ටික මතක් වෙගෙන මතක්. ආ ඒ කියන්නේ නියමයි. ඔව්. ඒක තමයි මම මෙහෙම හිතුවේ දැන් presentation ටිකක් හදලා තියෙන ඔක්කොම lessons වලට ඉස්සරහට ඈ. මුළු පොතටම geography civics ඔක්කොම cover කරලා. එතකොට මේ revision ටික කරද්දි නියමෙටම යනවා. Right. Okay. Next one. What are the evidences which help to prove that the earth is not a mathematical sphere? What
Polar
are
diameter
Polar
reach
diameter is greater than the polar diameter.
අය කියන්නේ කට්ටිය පුතාලා හොඳට ජෝක්
polar
නේද?
is
පුතාලා
less
හොඳට
than
ජෝක්
The
ඉගෙන ගන්න.
equatorial circumference is greater than the polar circumference.
yes. බලන්න මට කතා කරන්න දෙන්නේ පුතාලා හොඳට ජෝක් ඉගෙනගෙන තියෙනවා. කවුද පුතේ ඉස්කෝලේ කරන්නේ? කවුද? අයස්සර්ද? ඒකනේ. හොඳට උගන්වන්න තියෙනවා හැබැයි. ළමයි ටික හොඳට උත්තර දෙනවා. ෂෝක් නේ. හොඳයි. අයස්සර්ට තෑන්ක්ස් කිව්වා කියලා කියන්නේ මට උගන්වන්න ලේසි. හරි. එතකොට what are the evidences which help to prove that the earth is not a mathematical sphere? Right. මම මේකේ ආන්සර් එක මෙතෙන්ට ගන්න. මොකද? Right. Here, equatorial diameter. Here, polar diameter. The polar diameter is
polar is less than the equatorial diameter.
less the
Yes, polar diameter.
polar diameter is longer than the equatorial diameter. එහෙමද
Okay,
අනිත්
sir.
පැත්තද? නෑ අනිත් පැත්ත නේද? මේ අතර එන්නේ.
Less than.
Oh, less than. මෙහෙමනේ අඳින්නේ අපි original earth එක. This is the equatorial diameter. This is the polar diameter. Equatorial diameter is longer than the polar diameter. Right. And also equatorial circumference. Equatorial circumference is longer than the polar circumference. Right. Okay, you can write. Putala liyanna.
Yes.
Yes, okay. අපේ කට්ටිය ලියනවා නේද? Turn on your cameras පුතේ. හැම දරුවෙම කැමරාව එක ඔන් කරන්නකෝ. නෙතුල්, හෙසලි, ඉක්මිනි, ලාර, දිනෙත්, රුචිර. Rhythm. You are rhythm. පුතා? rhythm රසාංගද පුතා? Yes. Where's your school පුතා? What's your school? කොයිද? අහුන්නේ නැහැ.
Rahul.
Rahul National School. Okay. Right. Sandini? Sandini, what is your school? Onnan. Yes. Okay. ඉතින් අපි කැමරා ඔන් කරලා හොඳයි. නදිනි කැමරා ඔන් කරලා හිටියයි ඉස්සෙල්ලා ඉඳලා. කැමරා ඔන් කරන්න ඕන හොඳයි. රිද්මත් හොඳයි. අපි නැත්තම් අලුත් දරුවෝ ටික හොයාගන්න බෑනේ මට. right තව කවුද? සන්දිනී හරි ඔකේ සන්දිනී ඔකේ. මෙතුල්. මෙතුල් from where? මෙතුල් what is your school?
Godaka. Shri Bodhiraja College.
Yes, Bodhiraj, yes. අද නේද පුතා join උනේ අපිත් එක්ක. මෙතුල්
නෑ මං ගිය රටෙත් හිටියා.
හිටියද? sorry. පුතා කැමරාව on කරන් හිටියද? නෑනේ අන්න ඒකනේ වැඩි. කැමරාව on කරන් ඉන්නේ මොඳේ. අපි ඔක්කොමලා මේක හරි ජොලියෙන් වැඩේ යන්න ඕනේ. කැමරාව අස්සේ හැංගිලා ඉන්න එපා. හැම දරුවෙම කැමරාව on කරන් කතා කරන්න ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න මගෙන් උත්තර දෙමු. එතකොට තමයි මේක හොඳට යන්නේ වැඩේ. එතකොට පුතාලට මාව දන්නේ නැති අයට අඳුර ගන්න පුළුවන්. මට ඔයාලා අඳුර ගන්න පුළුවන්. ඔයාලගෙන් ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න. නේද? ඒ නිසා හිම යන්න ඕනේ හැම දරුවෙම කැමරා එක ඔන් කරන්න කියන්නේ ඒක. right. okay. right. The equatorial diameter is longer than the polar diameter, and also equatorial circumference is greater than the polar circumference, right? That's why then that's why the earth is not a mathematical sphere. ගණිතමය ගෝලයක් නොවෙන්නේ ඒ නිසා. Okay. I think you wrote. Number 4. What is the equatorial diameter of the earth? Equatorial diameter. Right. Give your answer. I am waiting for you. Equatorial diameter of the earth. Cool.
12,757.
20.
12,757.
57. Polar diameter.
12,714 kilometer.
714 kilometers. Okay. Uti, what is the difference? The equatorial diameter is 12,757 kilometer. The polar diameter is 12,714 kilometer. The difference between polar and the equatorial diameter is 53, I think. 53 kilometers. That means the equatorial diameter is longer by 53 than the
43.
polar diameter.
40.
40.
43.
43, sorry. 43. 43. Then next, number 6. What is the equatorial circumference of the earth? Equatorial circumference. What is it? Equatorial circumference. Right. Give your answer.
40,000
40,077.
40,000. 40,000.
77 kilometers.
40,077 kilometer. 40,077 kilometer. Okay. That is the equatorial circumference. Okay. Right. Then describe the meaning of rotation of the earth. Oh, opposite. Sorry. What is the polar circumference of the earth? Bute, what is the polar circumference? 30.
39,943 kilometers.
39,943 kilometer. That is the polar circumference. Okay. What is the surface area of the earth? Surface area. Sampurna matupita. Pradeshe kid.
510 million kilometers.
510 million kilometer. Million kilometer. 510 million kilometer. Kilometer million pansidaya sampurna coverage. Okay. What is the differences between the equatorial diameter and the polar diameter? We calculated earlier. Right. How many kilometers? 40?
43.
Right. On that. What is the differences between equatorial diameter and the polar diameter? 43 kilometers. Okay. Next one. Latitudes and longitudes. Right. Latitudes, longitudes. අපි පොඩ්ඩක් ඒක කතා කරලා ඉඳමුනේ පුතා. දෙකම අවුල් ගියේ. ඒකත් අවුල් ගියේ. සිලෙක්ට් කරන්න.
මැදින් පටන් ගන්න සර්.
ඔය එකනේ. මැදින් පටන් ගන්න එක. හරි. මෙතනින් පටන් ගමු හරියට. ඒක කඩේපා. සර් අද තමයි මේ රවුම යූස් කරන්නේ. ඒක තමයි කේස් එක. මෙතෙක් කල් මම රවුම් ගත්තේ නෑ. අද තමයි රවුම් ගන්නේ. දැන් නම් වැඩේ හරියයි වගේ. right. හරි ගියා නේද? මැදින් පටන් ගන්න එකයි නේද? right. 0 degrees latitude. What is called today?
Equator.
Equator. 23.5 degrees northern latitude. It is called Tropic
Tropic
of
of Cancer.
Cancer. 66.5 degrees northern latitude. Arctic
Arctic
Circle.
Circle.
23.5 degrees southern latitude.
Tropic of
Tropic
Capricorn.
of Capricorn. 66.5 degrees southern latitude. It is called Antarctic Circle. Antarctic Circle. Okay. Then here 90 degrees. 90 degrees
North Pole.
North Pole.
North Pole.
Here also
South.
Pole. North Pole and South Pole. These are the major latitudes, but you know, Puta, this one, this is the equator. The equator is called as the tempered line. No? 0 degrees line. These are the major latitudes. And how to define the latitudes today? The latitudes are, your chance, latitudes are the imaginary
Lines that are drawn to north to south.
Yeah, latitudes are the imaginary line drawn on the globe from
West
east
to
to
east. Imaginary lines that are drawn in the globe.
Okay, okay,
From
okay.
From west to east.
West to east. Okay. Then now I draw the longitudes. Longitudes. Right. 0 degrees longitude. It is called Greenwich Meridian line. Right. How many longitudes on the globe for that?
360.
360.
360. Right. Then how to define the longitudes?
The
Longitude.
imaginary lines that are drawn on the globe from north to east, north to south.
Imaginary lines that are drawn horizontally or vertically? Vertically on the globe.
Vertically.
Right. Vertically on the globe. ඕක තමයි අපේ latitudes, longitudes. Right. ඒ ගැන idea එකක් තියෙනවා. Right. What is the major latitude on the globe? Equator. What is the major longitude on the globe? Greenwich Meridian line.
Greenwich Meridian line.
Then what is called Puta 360 longitude line?
International date.
No,
International
no.
date line.
180 degrees longitude.
International date line.
International date line 181. Okay, 180 degrees longitude is called the international date line. Right? There are 360 longitudes on the globe. Right? Can you remember? There are time zones. මතකද ඒ ටික? අපි බලමු මේ ටිකත් කතා කරලා ඉන්නේ. Right? This is 0 degrees longitude line, Greenwich Meridian. Right? There are 180 longitudes from the east and the 180 from the west. Okay, then these 180 longitudes divided into 12 time zones: 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, like that. 180 here also same: 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, like that. Finally 180. Then you know the 180 longitude, this is not a straight line. This line is drawn like this.
International Daylight.
Yes, Pute, it is called the international date line. Yes. The international date line is not a straight line. Give the reason. Any නැත්තේ.
To prevent the division of countries.
To prevent the
Yeah.
division of countries.
When we are drawing this line as a straight line, some countries are separated. That's why it is drawn by separating the other countries. You are venkalla adino line එකක් කොයි විදිහද? Curved එකක්, right? Okay, that's why the 180 longitude line is drawn as not a straight line. Okay. Okay, තමයි අපි කිව්වේ. These are the 15, 30, 45. These zones are called time zones. මේවට කියන්නේ අපි time zones කියලා. Okay, right. Let's go to the paper again. Right. Explain about latitude. Now you can explain the latitude today. Explain about the latitude.
The lines drawn on the globe horizontally.
Drawn
Yeah.
from west to east.
Okay, Pute, you
Around the
can
globe.
you can write. The latitudes are the imaginary lines drawn from east to west on the globe, or the imaginary lines drawn horizontally on the globe. Then another one also is one. Explain about the longitudes. Longitudes are the imaginary lines drawn vertically on the globe. Vertical lines are longitudes, horizontal lines are latitudes. Very easy. Okay, did you write? Finish. Yes. Another question. What do you mean by zero latitude or the equator? What do you mean by zero latitude or the equator? What do you mean? කොහොමද ඒක හඳුන්වන්නේ? Zero latitude or the equator?
Equator.
නෑ නෑ. Equator නේ answer question එක කියන්නේ.
Middle of the
The middle latitude. When we think
middle of
the main latitude on the globe. The main latitude. The main latitude on the globe. The main latitude on the globe. The main latitude on the globe. Okay. Explain about northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere. You know, the earth is separated into two parts from the equator. This part is northern hemisphere. How to explain the northern hemisphere?
the northern part of the wet globe.
The northern part of the northern part of the globe. The northern part of the globe. Globe එකේ මේ ඔක්කොම නේද? අපි මේක මේ real earth එකේ නෑනේ පුතේ. Globe එකේ උතුරු පැත්ත. What is meaning of southern hemisphere? The southern part.
The southern part of the globe.
Yes, the southern part of the globe. Explain about north latitudes. Here, these are north latitudes. Right. Explain about north latitudes. North latitudes. The imaginary lines drawn
Above the equator. Above the equator.
the imaginary lines drawn horizontally in the northern part on the globe. Himalaya. The imaginary lines drawn horizontally. The imaginary lines drawn horizontally in the northern part. What you mean by south latitudes? Find the opposite answer. The imaginary lines drawn horizontally in the southern part of the globe. Write down. The imaginary lines drawn horizontally in the southern part of the globe. Janita, are you writing? Where is Akin? Photo විතරයිනේ කොල්ලගේ තියෙන්නේ. ඉන්නද? ඒකනේ මං හිතේ ෆොටෝ විතරයි දැක්කේ. කොල්ලා ලියන දමාගෙන හරියට. වාෂ් වුණාද කියලා වෙන්නේ. හරි. What do you mean by south latitudes? ඒක හරි. What is mean of Tropic of Cancer? Tropic of Cancer. Right. මම කියන්නේ පුතා කියන්නේ. Tropic of Cancer. 23.5 degrees northern latitude on the globe. 23.5 degrees northern latitude on the globe. 23.5 degrees northern latitude on the globe. It is called what? Tropic of Cancer. Explain about Tropic of Capricorn. Right? Put the opposite one. 23.5 degrees southern latitude on the globe. Southern latitude on the globe. 23.5 degrees southern latitude on the globe. Right. Okay. Finish. Right. Next question. What is meaning of Arctic Circle? Putih, Arctic Circle. 66.5 degrees northern latitude. Explain about Antarctic Circle. 66.5 degrees southern latitude. What do you mean by North Pole? 90 degrees northern latitude.
Degrees north.
Yeah. What is the meaning of South Pole? 90 degrees south latitude on the globe. Right. Full answers. Putih. ඒ විදිහට ලියන්න. ලියන්න. මම ලියන්න ඕනේ නැහැ නේ එකම. Methul, did you get a print? ගත්තා නේද? Okay. මේ මෙතුල්ගේ කවුද උගන්වන්නේ පුතා ඉස්කෝලේ? Geography civics. බලමු මගේ යාළුවෙක්ද කියලා.
Vindya teacher.
Vindya. I don't know. දන්නේ. මං ඉස්සර කවුද මෙතුල්? මම 2015 no 10 10 11 වගේ ability medium classes වලට ආවා maxima කියලා class එකක් තියෙනවා නේද ඔය ශාන්ත සර්ගේ maxima එකේ මම තමයි ඉස්සෙල්ලා කරේ ඊට පස්සේ මට ටිකක් time දුරයි වැඩි ඊට පස්සේ මම නතර කරා දැන් කමන්නේ ඒකට ආව බෝධිරාජ සෙට් එක ඔය බෝධිරාජ සර් කෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා ඕවින්ද කවුද මැත්ස් කරන සර්ගේ නම මොකද්ද මැත්ස් කරන සර් කවුද මතක නැද්ද මැත්ස් කරන සර් කෙනෙක් කියේ ඒ සර් මගේ ගෝලේ ෆස්ට් බැච් එකේ මැක්ස් මවල් අද නම මතක නැහැ සර්ලා ගොඩක් ඇති ටිකක් තරුණ පහේ කොල්ලෙක් නේද ලොකු පරණයිටම උගන්වන්නේ නැහැ ඕකේ නේද බලන්න මතක නැහැ නේ නවෝද have you heard that name නවෝද දන්නවනේ දන්නවද පුතා නවෝත් සර්ගෙන් අහන්නකෝ අයේෂ් සර් දන්නවද කියලා එතකොට කියයි නවෝත් කියන්නේ මම හරිනේ දැන් බලන්න එපා සර් පට්ට පරණයි කියලා එච්චර වර්ණ නැහැ එයාට මම ගන්නේ right okay අනිත් පුතාලා ඉවරයි නේද අනුගේ උපදු පහන් ඉන්න නැතුව ලිව්ව නේද හරි okay next one longitudes here what is longitudes what is longitude longitudes are the imaginary lines longitudes are the imaginary lines drawn vertically on the globe imaginary lines drawn vertically on the globe what is the meaning of Greenwich prime meridian right Greenwich prime meridian Greenwich madhyana rekha Greenwich prime meridian
The
what
0 degrees
Yes,
longitude.
Sudha.
Right?
0 degrees main longitude on the globe. Zero degrees main longitude on the globe. What is mean of west longitudes? The longitudes that are drawn on the west sides on the globe. What is mean of west longitudes and the east longitude? Right, find out. Right. Longitude that are drawn on the east on the globe. From the prime meridian, 360 longitudes are distributed and 180 run towards eastwards and 180 run towards westwards. Therefore, longitude 180 is common to both east and the west. 180 is common to both east and the west. The international date line follows this line. Sometimes the international date line is not marked as a straight line to prevent the division of a country. Latitudes and longitudes are used to indicate the indication of any place on the globe. accurately. Okay. Sometimes the international date line is not marked as a straight line. Why? Prevent from the division of a country. රටවල් බෙදීම නතර කරන්න තමයි මේක straight line එකක් විතර ඇන්දි නැටි. Okay. Did you write Puta? Are you okay? Finish? Yes. මේ fit එකක් දාන්න ඕනේ ඉවර නම් මට නැත්තම් බෑ හඳුන ගන්න. Okay? Right. Good. Continents and oceans. Continents and oceans. Right. The first chance goes to you, Puta. You have to write. Right. Now we start. 2 minutes then. I make a mama karan to put that chance. They really does mount. Right. Start. Look at this screen. Okay, Buddha? Did you write? Yes, good, good. Is on there? Monica Bivela. Did you write? Yes. Okay, okay. Right, girls. Okay. Johanni? Yes, okay. Vilara? Right, good. Okay, the question is what? Write the percentage of the surface of the earth is covered by water.
71.
71.
71%.
71%. Uda, our topic is continents and oceans. What is called continents?
The large land masses covered by water.
Large land masses.
That
Okay, the very large land masses in the world. Right? Oceans? Very
Small
large
land masses surrounded by
water bodies. Yeah, water bodies. Okay, okay. Write the percentage of the surface of the earth is covered by land. 29%.
29.
Okay. Continents. The earth consists of 7 continents. The continent is a large land area surrounded by water. Okay, here the areas covered by water consist of oceans and seas, and the land area consists of continents and islands. What you mean by continent? Right. Continent is a large land area surrounded by water. The large land mass is surrounded by water. Very large land masses surrounded by water. It is called continent. What you mean by islands?
a small land
masses surround with water.
Very good. The small land masses, the small lands which are surrounded by water. Small lands, okay? Small lands surrounded by water. Very good. Okay, Continents and area million kilometer. Right. Did you write this, Puti? Make up the name.
Yes.
Yes. Ena putala kiyan mama liyan. Right. Number 1. What is the largest continent in the world?
Asian continent.
Yes, Asia. Right. Area?
43.6.
Huh?
43.6.
43.6 million. Right. Number 2, second one.
Africa.
Africa continent. Yes, Africa. Million kilometer?
30.3.
30.3. Asia, Africa. Third one. North
American country.
America. North America. Million area million?
25.3
25.8.
Million square kilometers.
The
3.
83.
25.3.
25.3. South America.
17.8.
13.8. Right. Another one.
17.8.
17.
17.8. Then Asia, Africa, North America, South America. Next one.
Antarctica.
What's that?
14 million kilometers.
14 million kilometer. What's the continent?
Antarctica.
Antarctica. Okay. Antarctica. Then another continent.
Europe.
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 Europe. Yes, million kilometer.
10.5.
6.5.
10.5.
10.5. Yes.
10.5.
Australia.
Australia.
Australia continent.
8.9.
8.9.
8.9.
8.9.
8.9
kilometer.
kilometer. Right. Okay. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. The largest continent in the world is Asia, Sri Lanka, and Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Bangladesh, China, Russia. Very larger countries. The most populous countries are located here, Asian continent. In African continent, it is the second largest continent in the world, 30.3, and the North America is the third largest one, 25.3, and South America is the fourth largest one, 17.8, and Antarctica 14, then Europe 10.5. The smallest continent in the world is Australia, it is 8.9. Okay. A cut, okay. Oceans. What do you mean by oceans? What do you mean by oceans?
The large water bodies
The large water bodies. Yes.
among continents.
Yes. The large water bodies among continent. Among continent. Among continents are called as oceans. What do you mean by seas?
Very small water bodies.
Yes, very small marine water bodies, no? Very small marine, very small marine water bodies. Right. Oceans and the area million. Right. What is the largest ocean, Pute?
Pacific Ocean.
Pacific Ocean. Area?
Pacific.
Area?
156 kilometers.
Sorry.
156.
56.
6. Pacific. Second one?
Atlantic Ocean.
Huh?
Atlantic.
Atlantic. Atlantic. Atlantic Ocean. Right. Area?
77 million kilometers.
77 million kilometers. Third one?
Indian Ocean.
Indian
Ocean.
Ocean. Indian Ocean. Area?
69 million kilometers.
59. Next one?
Antarctic Ocean.
Antarctic Ocean.
Antarctic Ocean. Area?
20
20
million.
million kilometers.
29.
20. 20.
20.
Yes.
Yes, 20. Right, last one, the smallest ocean,
Arctic.
Arctic
Arctic.
Ocean.
Arctic Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Then area million,
40.
14. Okay. Right, oceans are the large water bodies among the continents. Then very small marine water bodies are called seas. Then Pacific is the largest ocean. It is 156 million kilometer. Then Atlantic goes to second place, there's 77. The India is the third place, 59. Antarctica 20 million kilometer. Arctic 14 kilometer, 14 million kilometer. Mention some seas which is located close to lands. Some seas.
Japanese Island. Japanese Sea, China Sea, North Sea, Red Sea, Mediterranean Sea.
අම්මෝ සී මොනවාද Chinese sea හරි මම මෙතන ලියනවා Chinese Japanese
Japanese Sea,
ah
North
Chinese,
Sea,
North Sea,
Red Sea, Mediterranean Sea.
Red Sea, Mediterranean Sea,
Yellow Sea.
Yellow Sea, right,
Arabian Sea.
right, Arab Sea, many seas. Mention some seas which is located within the continents of Asia. Continent of
Caspian
Asia.
Sea, Caspian Sea, Aral Sea.
Caspian Sea and Aral.
Aral Sea.
Aral Sea. Caspian and Aral Sea. Then what about Black Sea? Black Sea? Black එකත් ගමුවොත්. Right. Some areas which is located within the continent of Asia. Right. I think the lesson is over. හරිද ටියුට් එක ඉවරද?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. එතකොට ඔන්න දැන් මම අද කතා කරේ මොකද්ද? Geography first lesson එකේ. මේක නම් ටට්ටක් ගාලා නැගලා ගියානේ. ඇයි? මේක ලේසි පාඩම නේද? දැන් මම next Monday civic එකකින් ගන්නවා. civic එකක්. civic revision එක. ආයි ඊළඟ day එකේ geography. ආයි civics, ආයි geography. ඔය විදිහට lesson by lesson යම් පුතේ. එතකොට වැඩේ ගොඩ යනවා පුතාලා දන්නෙත් නැතුව වැඩේ යනවා ඉස්සරහට. හරි. Time is okay. Time එකත් ගන්නට ඇවිල්ලා. Okay. එහෙනම් ඇතිනේ දැන් මේ වැඩේ හොඳයිනේ. මේ විදිහට නේද ඕන ඉස්සරහට. ඔයාලා සතුටින් ඉගෙන ගත්ත මම දැක්ක කට්ටිය හොඳට උත්තර දුන්නා. හැමෝම මම මීට කලින් සාමාන්‍යයෙන් පුතේ දාන්නම් දවස් දෙකකට විතර කලින් පේපර් එක දාන්නම්. හොඳයි. දැන් මට අද එකපාරට මම අද හිතුවේ මොනවද මම කරන්න කියලා. ඇයි දන්නවද? ලෙසන් එකක් කරනවද කියලා බලලා දැන් ලෙසන් කර හිටියොත් අපිට පරක්කු වෙන නිසා අපි හිතුවා රිවිෂන් කරන එක හොඳයි. ඒතකොට හැම දරුවෙකුටම මුල ඉඳලා අයිඩියා එක යන නිසා. right. එහෙනම් goodbye. Good night. Sweet dreams.
Good night, sir.
Good night, sir.
Good night, sir.